Oh, sorry. I gotta stretch, guys. We're gonna stretch this all out. Eee. Hello everybody. Today we are doing some bullshit here. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna call this. I found this can at the grocery store. It is Coca-Cola with coffee. Great Coca-Cola taste blended with rich, luxurious coffee. Yeah, we're gonna taste this today and see how it goes. I have a big old feeling that this might not be the bestest in the world. So I'm gonna recreate it afterwards and we're gonna just give it a shot, you know? So I'm gonna ask camera lady, here we go. The big, yeah, for ice, that's what I'm asking. That's what I'm asking for, but here's the big Coke review. Wow, ow, wow. It smells like Coke, guys. You know, if I'm not putting Coke in whiskey, I don't want Coke really. If I really think about it. See how it looks. Camera lady, tell me if I need to move that ice. Yuck. It just looks like Coke, guys. I don't know how much coffee. Ah, jeez. What am I doing to myself? I don't know, man. I don't know, but I'm just gonna give it a big ol' go. Oh, there's the coffee. I like barely taste any coffee in this. It's mostly just like vanilla Coke and then a bad crappy coffee aftertaste. You know, like the coffee that you get at a gas station, like it's your very last resort because you just need to wake the heck up on a road trip. That's the type of coffee that it tastes like. And you can't even taste it until after the fact. So it's like an aftertaste. Let me try it one more time and see what happens. Yeah, it kind of tastes like stale Coke. Like the Coke is not, yeah, it kind of just tastes bad. All around tastes bad. Let's do it my way. So, since that didn't work out very well, I'm gonna do it my way. For my way, I'm gonna put a little bit of vanilla syrup, probably like a teaspoon. I don't know, I don't measure things. So a teaspoon of vanilla, a double shot of espressos, and then fill the rest with Coke. I don't know how this is gonna taste like. I'm a little scared, guys. And I don't even drink this much I honestly don't drink dark soda unless I'm like drinking, you know, adultly. Is that a word? Yeah, I drink adultly sometimes. So, you know the drill, double shot, same usual thing. And today I'm using Camera Lady's Bottomless coffee. I will put a link in the description because Bottomless is my sponsor and they are great people. And man, they've really been on their game with coffee, like no joke. Dang, this coffee smells real good. I hope this like makes up for whatever the heck is going on with Coke. Coke, you have failed me. I love cherry Coke. Like if I ever want like a dark soda, cherry Coke is pretty good. Maybe we should try it with cherry Coke one of these days. This is good smelling coffee. Good job, Elise.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Whatever. Dang, I'm almost out of my vanilla syrup, guys. Vanilla syrup, vanilla syrup. I think that's enough, I hope. Shot. As you can see, my version is like all coffee, a little bit of Coke. I probably should have done a single shot. I don't know who decided that this was a good idea, man. Like, even the color of it looks, I don't know, man. whatever. Stirry, stirry, mixy, 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 stirry, stirry, stirry. Okay, people. Moment of truth. Is this gonna taste better or not? Well, since it's mostly coffee, probably. No. Absolutely not. It like just doesn't I feel like espresso and Coke just don't complement with each other. Like, it just tastes like stale, like something bad. Like, and this is really good coffee. This is I've had this coffee, so I know this coffee's good. It's just like a bad, stale, like aftertasty, like it's just, ugh. I don't know. Maybe it's just my personal choice because I personally do not like Coke. I kind of want to like eventually taste it with Dr. Pepper or like, I don't know, something else that has like a better flavor. I know Dr. Pepper's like really Texan of me, but I just really like the flavor. I like the flavor of Dr. Pepper better. Like whiskey and Dr. Pepper to me is really good. I know a lot of people don't like it, but I like it. Anyways, probably went off on a weird tangent, but this is bad. This is real bad. I'm sad that I wasted coffee on this, but I'm happy because you guys don't have to try it. I could try it for you. So this, I will like compared to what I made and this is a little bit better. You don't taste the coffee till afterwards with this guy. This is like, I don't know, like a cross section of wrong. So this is my video. I'm not gonna be a Debbie Downer because it's okay. If you like Coke, it's okay. I'm so happy that you like Coke. Will I drink this again? Absolutely not. But we'll probably 2.0 better this. That's just whole other video in the making, in my head right now, in the making. This is all I got for you all. So I hope you guys are doing well, having a good day, week. If you like this video, click that like, that subscribe, all the little clicks. I'm gonna put a whole bunch of links in the bottom of this. Until next time.
Hello everybody! So today I'm going to talk about my beautiful sponsor, Bottomless. So Bottomless is a Wi-Fi scale, and essentially what it does is it gives you coffee and it tracks your coffee through the internet, the beautiful internet. So you go online, you order a bag of coffee and it comes with a free scale. You don't have to pay for the scale. And then it gives you coffee. And then what happens when it runs out? Well, it gives you more coffee automatically. And there's so many different rotations, like if you just want decaf, if you just want a specific type of origin, all things like that. And there's just a vast variety of coffee. And you could also pause it as well. So if you don't want coffee anymore, it's totally cool. And that is Bottomless in an entire nutshell. And yeah, it's a subscription service. They're really great and they have a really cool concept. So yeah, Bottomless, they're great.